Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to play Outlaster. Yeah, so today I am playing Outlaster. Uh, Now currently I have entered the lobby. What is this? So okay, the game started exactly when I joined. Okay, Outlaster servers by Peak Precision Studios. What should I keep my name? Let me type. I kept my name as Ella. Okay, who kept my name as? I didn't keep my name. Okay, it's automatic, I guess. So today I'm total green. Yeah, I'm totally green. What's that around my neck? Okay, those are the leaf feathers. Oh, everyone has the same. Okay, time is okay. I have nothing to do. What is this place? Oh, this is a. Oh wow, what is this? Hi, October, November, December. Okay. Welcome everyone to Outlaster. To start, you'll be divided into two separate teams. Okay. You'll compete against those other team in series of competition, and each other round the losing team will have to vote a member off. Oh my god. I'm the redemption. What is this? This game players can't see what you type. Okay, redemption. Okay. Oh, what spectators? I'm a spectator. What is this? October, November. What are these? I'm gonna vote myself. Is okay here. Allow. I'm gonna vote for the team leaders. They'll be able to select October and Poo. Okay. They are the leaders. Ping. I choose Kaka. Oh no! Someone choose me. I wanna be in a pink team. No, blue team. Ah. Oh nice. This girl looks kind of weird. Weird. Yeah, weird. Some. Oh, I don't know why I feel like that team is a bit more powerful. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. This round, I remember this. Once I played this, where we need to dig the mud and take the sack from others and put it on this white one. But I did the wrong one. I took the sack and I went to the other corner where I can't keep the sack, and that was totally awkward. But still, we won the game that day. Two members return the bag to finish the score. A point for a team. Run into other players to steal a bag or throw it. Throw it. Okay, nice. The team with the most points with the time runs out to win a safety. I'm going next. Okay. First, Fufu and Kaka. October and Toga. Okay. Oh, there's nothing in there. What's our team name, by the way? I don't know. Okay, something. Blue team. Kind of blue. Oh, I'm going. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Dig, 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 dig. Nothing. No, dig, dig. I wish I get something. Yes, sack. Throw it. Yay, 2 points. Oh, wait. What? I threw the sack. Why didn't I get a point? What? What happened? I threw the sack on the white thing, but still I didn't get a point. What is happening? Ah, what's happening? What's happening? Why can't we win? And there are more players in their group too. Wait, I'm going again. Oh no! Oh my god. Oh, we got 1 point by the way. I don't know how. So nothing. Oh man. Okay, this is bad. They got 3 points and we have 1 point. Go team, go. Kaka, popo, something. Why do they keep their names like that? I'm not able to call them properly. Go. Hurry up. We can do this. We still have 2 minutes of time. Come. Oh no, that team is. Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh no. We can do this. Yeah. Okay. This is the last game, I guess. Run. Fast. Not with those guys again. Dig. There's nothing in here. Yay, 3-3, nice. Go, 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 we are go. Oh, it's a tie. It's a tie. Okay, that's nice. Go, yay. Wait, what? Keyboard. What? Wait, wait, wait. Who has won? Okay. What? Okay, we won. Nice. See, we got the stars on our head. That means we won the match. Yay, that's nice. Even though we don't have a powerful group, maybe I will say I'll just wish them nice. All the best, team. We can do this. We can do this. You're God. I don't trust you. Kitty gamer girl. I'm already something girl gaming. We can do this. Ah, there you go. Smiley face. Nice. Welcome to Mokacha elimination. That's for the other team. But it was so far unexpected that because we both have the same points. We both have 3 points, but still we won the game. That was so surprising. Who was over here? Oh my God! These Aztecs attempt type of hard teams to come together. Combined teams. Yeah. Where is the other team? Everyone will now attend each elimination, and only the combination winner will be safe from getting voted. I wish I win again. Hope so. Maybe. Okay. Hi everyone. Sup, new bros? Okay. I kept hi. All the best to everyone. Oh my God! Not this maze, please. Oh my God! I'm never gonna do this. I am never gonna do this. I can. This maze is really big, and there are 4 sides, and mazed and confused. Okay, this is. I'm scared of this. I'm scared of this. Okay, you'll work your way through large maze to collect the 4 pendants. 4 different stations hold each of the pendants you seek. One at a time, you'll bring each pendant back to the start. No, no, no. The first person to retrieve all 4 pendants will win the safety. I am not sure of this, actually. Or maybe. I'm really not sure of this pendants. Hey, wow. I found actually one. Wow, nice. Amazing. Excellent. Wait, wait, I lost my way. Which way do I go? Oh, wait, wait, okay, not this. Oh, no, not this, now this. Now this way, now this way. Wait, where did I go? Where should I go? This way. Wait, I don't know where I'm running to. Wait, 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 there you go. I found one pendant. Nice. There you go. Did I keep one pendant? Okay, there you go. This girl also found one. Nice. Good start, by the way. Oh, where should I go now? I can see. Yeah. Oh, there you go. I found the second pendant. This is first time that I found uh, pendants. Whoa, I see those people. I can recognize the place to the exit because of them. Okay, this is my second one. I hope I win. Maybe. Okay, there you go. Second pendant. Now it's time to go for the third and fourth pendant. I wish I get them. Oh my god, oh my god. This maze is kind of confusing. Oh, where should I go? Where should I? Oh my god. There you go. Thank you, help us. You helped me. Oh my god, still there's somewhere. Okay, there you go. I found it. Now to the exit. I don't know where. Oh no, wrong way, wrong route. Oh my god, oh my god. I don't know which way to go. Oh my god, I'm lost. Ah, there you go. I found it. Yay! I got the third pendant and last pendant, and I'm gonna win. Yay! Yeah. I'm so happy. Yeah, there you go. 3 pendants, last pendant. Oh, I can do this. I can do this. I hope in myself. I can. I have a good. Uh, Wrong route. Oh no, wrong way. Oh no way. Oh my god. Where? Yay! Amazing. This is amazing. Oh my god, someone already found. I actually got my last pendant. Ah, that was so close. October has won. Good job, bro. Good job, bro. You did it. Actually, I was so close. I got the 3 pendants. And why did you? Ah, is she a girl or a boy? Okay, she's a girl. Oh my god, that's too much. Oh my god. Good job. What? First time I won and I'm proud. I was also going to win for my first time and you. Okay, whatever. Good job. Nice. I'm a turkey. You're a turkey. Oh my god, he. Oh, you're. Okay, you're inside the fire, and okay, it's a turkey. Hmm. Then who will eat you? Okay, I was so near to my win, but that wasn't possible so far. It's okay. Now it's the elimination round. I wish I won't get eliminated. Hmm. But I got 3 pendants. Oh, whoa. Okay. Okay, cool. No, no, I'm so nervous because I don't want to be voted out. Good luck. Thank you. I want to call you by. Oh my god. Wait, wait. Oh my god. Wait. Is this me? Oh. Okay. Okay, there you go. I said finally. Clown things. Okay, I won't call you poo poo again because that isn't nice to call you. Okay, clown. You're a clown. Whom should I vote now? I have no idea. Should I vote the turkey? Okay, not the turkey. Wait. Whom should I vote? I'm gonna vote the turkey only. Because I didn't see him playing that much good than compared to the others. So, okay. I hope no one votes to me because I played my best. Actually, if that October won't be so fast, I would. Okay, why are you sad? Okay, you're sad. Okay, if anybody has a secret advantage and would like to use it, how do I use the secret advantage? Where should I should shop? Advantage, where are you? I have 0 diamonds, by the way. How? Okay, Toga. First word to Toga. I think even okay. Yeah, I'm dead. Wait. He already figured it. Casey. Okay. Please, please. No words for me, please. Please. Kaka. Okay. Okay. No words for me, please. No, no, no. Again. Okay. You're dead. Almost. Because you got 2 votes. That's 2 votes for him. Yep. Okay. Casey, and that 2 votes for Casey. I'm so glad that no one voted me. I'm really so glad. Everyone got a vote. Final vote, final vote. Who's it gonna be? Please not me. Please not me. Kaka. And that's 2 votes for Kaka. Means it's a tie for 3. Wow. Tie between 3. God, that is the truth. Okay, I'm so happy. Thank God no one voted me. What? Yeah. Uh, I'm so happy. Guys, vote me. What? You want to be voted out? Why you all vote me? Not me. I didn't vote you, Kaka. Kaka. Why kitty gamer girl? You don't look like a kitty, by the way. Is there still a redemption? Why? I can't do anything. I'm gonna vote him. Because he didn't try his best. I don't know. First vote. Yeah. You're out. Maybe. Kaka. Why did. Okay. Casey. Okay, that's each got 1 vote, and the person who voted out of the okay, this is the last one. Who is it gonna be? Oh my God, Kaka, you're that kitty gamer girl. Wait, he's safe. You're safe. I think so. I'm the only one who voted for you. Okay then. Actually, you were eliminated, but not totally from the game. She can come again if she wins an elimination round. It's the time for you to go. Yes, bye. Come back soon. Kaka, bye bye. Okay, that was so amazing that I didn't get any vote. Okay, good going. I'm going nice. Okay, why are you still walking by sitting? October. But this isn't over yet. There's going to be a double elimination in this round. Okay, another person will be out, and it's time for the vote. Now, okay. Whom should I? Oh, homie. Yeah, of course I'm gonna vote. You are only asking yourself. Oh, me. Please vote me out. Okay, I'll do it. My pleasure for you. There you go. Please, no votes for me, please. Please, no votes. Please. I'll cross my fingers. Please, no votes for me. You're up. No votes, please. No votes for me, please. No votes for me, please. No votes, please. If anybody has a secret advantage, I don't have any advantage. Wait. These all cost Robux always. Now it's your chance. First vote. First, it's good. Yeah, you vote. I think so. You're okay. Casey, okay. Clown things. Wait. Okay, she's invisible. Casey again. Wait. Clown thing that poo poo girl. She left. Wait, that's 2 votes for Casey. Casey again. Oh, Casey. you're out, and now you're gonna have the person voted out for out of the was Casey 351. Oh, nice. That's wait, what? 4 votes. I'm the only one who voted for and the others all voted for Casey. Oh no, Casey, you're so innocent, by the way. But still, you can try your best next time. Bye. Oh, you're saying us bye, but you will come back soon again. Don't worry. Okay, still 3 dots. Okay, that was a good game, by the way. Every time when I play this game, right, no, I would get eliminated at the worst. I don't know why. Bye. I hope everyone be good and I won't get eliminated in the last round. Okay, stick together. Yay! Returning player. Now there's only one eliminated player. They will now automatically return to the game. I'll say all the best. They like it. All the best, all. Okay, oh my, oh no, I'm out. This game is so hard. First person who comes down, no, they are dead actually. No, this is the hard part. I can't do this. I know this. I can't do this. Holding on. I don't like this game. I don't like this game. Let's get started. Come on, you did your best. Oh no, this is not nice. This is not nice. Oh, I have a very bad feeling about this. I have a very bad feeling about this. If you miss a point, you will slide down your pole, and the last person to remain on their pole wins. Wish I won't fall down. I wish I won't fall down. Okay, click, 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 click. There are two now. I can't handle two. I can't even handle one, by the way. Oh no, this is hard. This is getting hard. Three, no. Three, no, please. Oh my god. Oh, this is so stressful. This is so stressful. This is. Oh my god. I came down again. Oh my god. 4. Ah. What? I'm a human, by the way. Please. Oh my. Oh man. Oh man. This is hard. This is getting hard. That girl isn't even falling down. Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 No mistakes, please. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. I think. Oh my god. 5. No, please. God, please. Oh man, why? This is hard. Yeah, I won. I think maybe. I don't know. And I won. Yes, yes, I did it. Finally, first time I won this in this game. Nice. It's amazing. First time I won in something, that too in a challenge, in a competition. And this one. Yeah, thanks. I'll keep. Thank you. All the best for EVE everyone. Oh, they're doing rounds around me. Okay. You all can also. Okay, they all are doing rounds around me. That's funny. Okay, I'm really happy this time. I feel so proud of myself. I'm okay. So I have no feeling that I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm so happy. That stress, that frustration when I was fighting, she's peeps vote each other. Okay, I think I of course know over here who's gonna be out. I don't know. I didn't watch the people playing, so currently I don't know who to vote. Okay, I'll just close my eyes. October, you're up. Uh, Mama, I think I'm gonna vote Sorry. Oh my god, he's eliminated. I'm sure of it because I and October has voted okay. Okay, the first vote is sorry sorry. I'm very sorry. But I'm sorry. Oh my god. Sorry. You those are 3 votes for him. I'm sad there's no season left. The third person. Oh, sorry. So poor boy. That's three votes for whom? Oh my god. Yeah, there need to be other season. What are they talking about? Ah, sorry. Oh, it's time for you to go. Oh, wait, what I'm clicking. Okay, oh, this game is so stressful. I don't want to eliminate others. Me too. Oh my god, why am that was amazing. If I wouldn't get this the safety option, if I wouldn't win the competition, I think I would be out. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the final round. I think that is not. Wait, is this voting round again? Wait. Oh, I see it. I see you. Wait. Where is he? Nice. Hell yeah. Okay, few over here are just dramatic. This game was kind of fun, but it's very competitive. And I'm very proud of myself because actually at the first round which we have that sack one, I we got a tie, but still our team has won. Again, the hardest game which I wasn't able to play always. I won in that round. That was so awesome. Awesome. That's it. And Ella, that name. Okay, it's dark. There you go. Welcome, Toga, October, and Ella to the final. Finale. They say finale. Oh, you all made it this far. You can. There's only one thing left. Fire. Best. Oh. Best goes the final vote. Who's it gonna be, please? Ella, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Some bonus categories to read. Oh my god. Okay. I think so. I'm not still yet. That was. I was. Oh wow. I got two votes. The best voting record for having the most votes towards the eliminated player, Choga and October. The most dangerous for having the most votes cast against you, Choga. That okay. The most active for searching Ella. Yeah, I was very active by the way. The most competitive for winning, the most individual competitions. Up to wait, I got four. Amazing. The most under the radar for having the fewest votes cast against you. I didn't get even a single vote. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so happy. Yay! Thanks. Oh, I'm just gonna add them as my friends. I just like them because they were very nice. Banana. Her name changed to October to Banana. Okay, nice, amazing. I'm just gonna click on the lobby. I don't know. There you go. Yay! Party. Wait. Yeah. Party. Yay. Okay. Okay, you're dancing already. October. Nice. Okay. Now I'm. How to exit? That was the most fun, unexpected, thrilling, and stressful, and all. Yeah, first time I won myself. That was amazing. Okay, so I'm currently collecting my daily reward. Okay. Thanks for the. Okay, I got 25 gems. Wow, I got 25 gems. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's video. So yeah, as I was saying, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel Super Chill Gaming. Yay! And also, uh, at the last, me as Ella, Toga, October. We three were there. Who do you think before the winner was announced? Who do you think that they are gonna win? Comment down their names in the comment. Yeah, comment box. I forgot to say what do we say those. Yeah, comment down below who's gonna be the winner. Choga, October, or Ella? Me. Okay. Hoping who you vote. So I'm gonna announce. I'm gonna say who did you choose. I'm gonna be really happy if you choose Penny, but it's your opinion is my pleasure. So I hope the more comments I get, I will be the most happy over here. So and also, bye everyone. That's it for today's video. Yeah, bye. Okay, that is in the video ending. Are you okay? Bye.